Hello learners. Welcome to a new exciting video of this new TypeScript playlist. In this video, we will go through the concept of union types and we will look at some demonstrations for union types in type aliases. If you are watching this video, make sure to watch this video from playlist. Do subscribe this channel, like this video and share with your friends. Do access this playlist from the link in the description. I create videos mostly on web development and prompt engineering. Let's start the video. A union type can be termed to a variable that can have multiple types value at the same time. Let's understand through example what do we mean by this. In this example, we have taken a variable of string type. But if in case we also need this variable to accept number types. How to do that? If we directly assign number value to the variable, it shows an error. This is where union types come into play. To assign any variable multiple types, simply, you need to separate it by or operator. Boom! This is how we can assign any variable as union types. Similarly, we can do the same with more variables like boolean, begint, etc. Now, let's understand how to merge the concept of union types and type aliases together. Let's see one more example of contact info to understand the concepts of union types. Let's see something new. Let's elaborate the concept of type alias. This is how we usually write type alias, but do you know? We can create a string literal using which we will allow only a particular string to be accepted, like in this case it will only accept pro-developing champs and nothing else, wherever we will use value as a type alias. You can see whenever we are trying to define some new values in myval other than pro-developing champs, it is showing some error lines, but when we set the value to pro-developing champs, the error disappears. Let's understand this alias feature through one more example. Here, a new type alias is created with three different string literals separated by union types. This means any of the three values can be used wherever make payment is defined. Followed by which we are defining a function shopping where we have passed a parameter, pay, of type make payment. This means that the variable, pay, will only accept those three values that are already defined in make payment alias. Let's check it out through calling the shopping function. You can clearly see how that on passing all the above predefined string literals, our code runs well. But if in case we will use any other parameter, it will show error. Like, here as we passed gold as the parameter, it started showing error lines because it was not defined in make payment alias. This was all in this video. Hope I was able to explain the topic clearly. If so, like this video, share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Also comment your suggestion how we can improve, as this channel is new and needs your support. See you very soon in the next video. Bye.